What's up, everybody? It's Cashflow Nexus back with some XRP and crypto analysis. And if you like what you see on this channel, feel free to subscribe and like this video and share it. And if you like to be a student to the game, hit me up in my inbox and we could talk and make some money. All right. But other than that, I want to start off with some scripture. I'm not only a crypto analyst and enthusiast, but I also like to share the word of God too as well. So John 14:6, it says, Jesus saith unto him, I am the way, the truth, and the life. No man cometh unto the Father but by me. So I just want to share something real fast with you guys. The devil does not care how rich you are, how poor you are, if you're a good person or a bad person. He doesn't even care if you do good deeds or bad deeds. The only thing he cares about is disrupting your path to accepting Jesus Christ. And that's the only thing that he's trying to do, is not allow you to know the truth in Jesus Christ. That's his objective for hindering your path in this life. But other than that, guys, let's get on with the video. And I appreciate you guys if you stuck on and didn't click off at this point. All right, so I just wanted to say this. It's by XRP Crypto Wolf. It's gonna tie in with my analysis, so that's why I wanted to say this. Looks like I was spot on with my call in theory. I have a feeling that yesterday, 9/24, was the lowest XRP will ever go this year. So hopefully the worst has already passed, so we can start uptrending into a bull market in Q4, Q4, December, baby. XRP community, how many of you bought the XRP dip? And then he goes to say here as well, XRP wicked all the way down to 22 cents, but the bears can never fully break strong support at 24 cents since they never get it to too close to below 24 cents. But you know, he says he has a theory. Ripple sold XRP around that price, so it's interesting. So let's get on with the analysis. So supporting his theory, XRP Crypto Wolf, you know, every time we have touched, you know, the 22 cent level, or I mean the 24 cent level or 22 cent level, we have strong rejection. So here you see prices at 22 cents, and this is the weekly time frame. You see it here, and we recently touched it yesterday briefly, and it rejected very strongly to the upside. And right now we're sitting at 24 cents and 773 currently. So, you know, looking at it, once we hit the 24 cent level, you know, everybody probably got a little bit worried yesterday and saw that price, you know, shot back up, and, you know, the fear went away. But right now we are still under this gigantic and humongous cloud, which shows that there's a lot of sellers in the market. A lot of volume of sales in the market right now. But we have thinned out. We have started to consolidate at these levels, and I'm going to show you on the daily time frame in a second. But we have been seeing signs of you know, further downside. And if we can't break this level, which is around, let me zoom in for you guys. If we can't break this 27 cent level right here and move even higher, we're going to continue to the downside. We might consolidate a little bit, or we might find ourselves at lower prices between 15 cents and 22 cents, which is not what I like to say, but you know, it allows us to get in cheaper if you're willing to, you know, dollar cost average your trade. But anyway, we are thinning out here too, so we might get some crazy momentum to the upside. The last time that it hit 22 cents, back in, let's see, December, right here, we had a crazy uptrend movement. I'm actually going to show it on the daily time frame real quick. So let's go ahead and do that. All right, right here. So last time we were at 22 cent level, we just we just erupted to the upside, And look at that crazy percentage that we made. We made a 1,348% return if you had got in on that. It's a crazy up up crazy upward momentum that we had. Now, if we have that same thing again, not saying that it's going to happen, but let's just say we do have that again. Look where we're at now, and what potential gains we could make from where we from that level that we were back in the past. So what I'm looking at, we had some strong rejection, as you could tell right here. We rejected 22 cents pretty hard, and we stayed above 23 cents as of now. But right now, market is very interesting. We're at Actually, I'm tripping. I'm looking at the wrong candle. Well, right now we are at the last candle. It closed at 23 cents. The candle full close. The wick, you don't really count the wick when you are trading. You go by the body, which is the full body right here, not the wick. So we closed at 23 cents and 40, and we are now sitting higher at 24 cents and 53. So right now, what I'm waiting on, I'm waiting to get past these levels. You see this red box zone right here. So I'm waiting for us to get past this, because this is a lot of support, a lot of resistance right now. We are underneath the cloud, which is bearish. Also, we have resistance with Tinkerson and Kijinson at this level, which is at the 27,005 level. And right here was past resistance before we moved up to the upside at 26 cents and 23.1. And then I have it ranged in here at this level, because this is where the cloud pretty much starts curving. So 27 and 38 right there. So that's what I'm eyeing right now. I would like to see price move up past these levels before we even consider saying that we're in a bull market. Right now we're still in a bear market, it shows, but we did make a strong and quick recovery, about a 5% recovery from that dump yesterday that we saw. And I have these days projected. I use Fibonacci time zones, the Ichimoku Fibonacci time zone. It's interesting because I don't really show this too often, but it kind of shows you when the market is going to, change its direction. And I'm going to show you right here. So you see here, right here, I had this day marked, and I had bought in right here, and took profit up here because we have resistance in this level. But you see how it was showing that the day before, market, 2 days before the market took off, and then on this line here, it says that the market was gonna make a move either to the upside or downside, and you see that it just tanked right here on this day. So the next days that I'm looking at right now is October the 3rd, the 17th, and the 28th for some gains or some more losses to the downside. So I have those days marked, and you see it lined up perfectly with the days of change. And Ichimoku, this is advanced theory called the observation time theory, but that's another day to go over that. But I'm still learning it myself, and I can't wait to use it more often. But right now I'm looking at these days. The next big day coming up is October 3rd. Hopefully we start breaking up to the upside. We get past this level and move up even higher. For the the short term, what I see, we need to get above Kijinsen, because this is playing resistance at this level currently right now at the 25-cent level. If we could break past here, we should be fine. But right now, looking at the ultimate, I'll say we're bouncing off the 50. What I like to see before we move up even higher is for us to break the 50 and hold above the 50 and break Kijinsen at this level and come up to this level here, which is where I have our last level of resistance. If we could break here, we will definitely test the 32-cent level. I like to see this broken. I like to see 25-cent broken. I like to see this level broken, and I like to see this level broken before even considering saying that we're in a bull market. Right now, we are in a bear market. Chiku span is showing, that price may consolidate in here, so I might box that. Actually, I am gonna box that. Let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna monitor this zone here for a while and see what happens for the time to come. But it looks like we're starting to consolidate, and hopefully we could consolidate or break past this level sooner than later. You know what I mean? Let's see. On the hour time frame, we are consolidating, as you could tell. It looks like price is starting to move up even higher, so we could possibly get back up to this zone, the 27-cent zone, which we should, I'm not gonna say easily get there, but we should be able to get there. Let's see. We are starting to form a bullish cloud. Once Senkou span A and B cross each other, we'll start forming that Kumo twist and start moving up to the upside. And if you don't know what I'm saying, this is Ichimoku style of trading, the Japanese style. If you are new to it or never heard of it, pause this video and check out my videos in my description box to learn about the style and how to trade it. It works very well with commodities, forex, cryptos, stocks. So this is what I use on all my trading analysis. It's very good for beginners, and it's very good for advanced to intermediate style trading for technical analysis. All right. But other than that, hopefully we start getting that twist. So I'm gonna mark that too. Let me go ahead and do that now. Waiting for something to happen here. Make sure this is on this. Okay, good, perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this. This broke already. All right, so that's my analysis for today, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Comment and subscribe and share this video, and definitely give me your thoughts on what you think is going to go on in for the next few days to come. And I hope you guys are blessed this week. All right, take care, and God bless you guys. Peace.